What is a scientist? At Cape Canaveral, Florida, two men in a control tower watch anxiously as a huge missile raises into the air. In South America, a young lady kneels in a dark cave, carefully brushing dirt from a gleaming human skull. In a New York laboratory, a man in a white coat skillfully extracts venom from the fangs of poisonous snake. These people could be characters in an exciting adventure story. Actually, they're real people. Each one is a scientist, working hard at his own special job. Each one is looking for facts that will solve a particular problem. Science is a careful, systematic search for facts. Scientists are investigators. They ask questions about the universe and the natural laws that govern it. By observing and experimenting, they try to find out the answers to those questions. Great scientific discoveries seldom happen by accident. They are nearly always the result of keen observation, accurate experiments, and a great deal of hard work. Although all scientists have their own individual ways of working, they usually follow a general pattern known as a scientific method. It starts with observation. The scientist is a trained observer. After studying all the known facts about the problem he's working on, he gathers additional facts through his own personal observations. From them, he develops an idea or hypothesis that he hopes will explain or solve the problem. Next, he experiments. He makes careful tests to find out just how true his hypothesis is. Very often, he discovers that it is wrong, but sometimes he is able to collect enough evidence to prove that his idea is right. After his hypothesis has been thoroughly tested by many other scientists and found to be absolutely correct, it becomes known as a law or principle. All this may take months, years, or even a whole lifetime, but when it does happen, that scientist has the satisfaction of knowing that he has added an important bit of knowledge to the world's storehouse of information. A scientist has a choice of many subjects to investigate. He may be interested in Earth itself, its structure and its history. An Earth investigator is called a geologist. Biology is the study of all living things that inhabit the Earth. A scientist who studies animals is a zoologist. One who investigates plants is called botanist. The investigation of how plants and animals function is called physiology. Medical research and bacteriology are subdivisions of this science. A scientist who studies the sun, moon, stars, and planets is an astronomer. Chemistry is the study of materials that make up the universe and the various changes that take place in those materials. Physics is the investigation of matter and energy, such as heat, light, sound, and electricity. Mathematics is the science of numbers. It is used in nearly all the other sciences for measuring and counting and for solving all kinds of problems. Of course, each main branch of science is divided into many smaller, specialized sections. One man may concentrate mainly on discovering the age of the Earth. He is called a geochemist. Another may work exclusively in the field of man-made spacecraft. This science is known as celestial mechanics. A scientist who specializes in the study of disease-causing agents called viruses is known as a virologist. There are already dozens of scientific specialties, and new ones are rapidly appearing. In every field of science, there are certain men and women whose work has been outstanding. Here you will read about just a few of the world's most famous scientists. Of course, there are many others, equally interesting and important. Perhaps this book will make you curious to find out more about scientists, how they work, and what kind of people they are. Perhaps you too will come to share the one thing all scientists everywhere have in common, an intense desire to discover new truths about the world they live in.